Alright, we're about to do this safari. Y'all excited to ask? Hold on. Oh god, that's a lot of food.
I said it
Yeah,
was.
there's gonna get.
Alright, we're gonna have to set some on the floor back here.
Okay, so that's
I can
like
keep two.
what do we know about cans? Mine are in.
Mine is new. I can drink it quick.
Here's the food, everyone.
You want to put one more on the floorboard for you?
Move the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Mom, you get one bucket.
I don't.
You get
I
one.
gotta drive. I gotta focus.
2 miles an hour, really?
Yeah, you're
You'll
gonna
be fine.
stopping.
Yo, I'm excited.
Is everybody's window down?
We can go back and once we're in, if they don't eat all the food, then we just keep going. This is exciting. And our park that way.
Look at that one loner llama up on the hill.
Alright, here we go. This is where it all begins. This is where the fun begins.
Yeah, this is awesome.
I know y'all been wanting to come here.
Some
Ready,
goats and
Ashley?
some
All
birds.
electronics on the floor, headphones.
Except for my phone, so I want to take a picture.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess I'll just
They
use this.
will go after anything and everything.
Hey, look, it's a llama. Or
If they don't let you leave, they just stand in front of your car.
So if you hit one, Mom.
I mean, just like honk. No, don't honk.
Don't honk.
Yeah, if you honk, they'll dispatch someone for your assistance.
They got giraffes. The giraffes come and eat the food too.
I've never seen a giraffe come up. Minivan doors must remain closed.
Okay. The ostrich just peck at your windows.
That's it. Y'all want to get real close? and
Yeah, the
personal?
ostriches scare me. Like they're creepy.
Gotta give right one away. What's hot?
You gotta close your window.
Speed limit
if
is-
you don't want them eating
Go
all your
super
food.
slow.
4.5
Oh
miles per
god,
hour.
I'm scared.
You gotta close your window.
Put your window down.
I will.
Oh, jeez.
Just think you
Come. Hey, they like the red car. Hello, how are you?
It's a food.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Just fill up your floor, Mom.
I know, that's why I said it's
I
not
know,
good for my
mister.
car. Save some food for some others. Holy crap!
There's a bull, Mommy. Hey, Mr. Bull, here.
Hello, Speckled Llama. How are you?
Don't forget, we have a long way to go.
There's food on my leg.
He licked my hand.
Oh, Mommy's coming back from work.
This is awesome. Hello. Oh, jeez, he uses his tongue.
You gotta pour it in his mouth. Okay, never mind.
He eats a lot.
God, look at my car. Emmy's rolling out the window.
I don't like the bull. It scares me.
Oh, he's got flies.
Oh, God, there's
Ew!
Dang, he ate a lot.
It's raining.
I don't think it bothers the animals.
Even better.
Hello, Mr. Llama. How are you?
Ew, I'm sitting
He's
on
like, I'm gonna keep up with this guy. He's getting food. Look at that guy's horns.
Minivan went around him and so am I.
Oh god.
No, I don't know he's coming.
Hey, they farted.
Oh my god.
Look at the little pig.
Oh, he's cute. Sometimes you see him fighting.
Ew, Mom, my blood is covered in little pellets. Oh god, he's coming.
For the bull.
Oh, look at the baby deer.
Ostrich.
Oh, look, it's Bambi.
I want Bambi.
He ran up here. Okay. Ew, he's licking my finger. Hey.
You're like, "Hey." Oh God. You want some food? Hello.
Do you have your GoPro?
Yeah.
Here comes an ostrich.
Oh God. I don't
Awesome.
like ostriches. He's gonna go on my side.
No, he's coming over here. No. Okay. Screw it.
That's one ugly ostrich.
How are you, Mr. Llama?
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh my God, he's going. He's going in.
Oh, I should
He
have got
backs it.
Open your window, Emmy.
No, I don't like the ostriches.
Oh, he's coming back. Hey, come back. Come here. There's more food. Oh, look, Mom, look at the lambs.
Oh.
He's running.
I don't have no food. I'm
I
starving.
know. Look at this pretty llama. There's a baby llama sucking the.
Ooh, who farted? Was that the animal? God.
Emily, put your window down.
Emily, stop being
These people in front
scared.
of us are going to be out of food in 5 seconds. Oh.
Look at all the baby ostriches. Hold on, I gotta share. Oh, or not. I want more food.
This one just keeps coming back to me.
Oh, good lord.
Oh my God, on your floor.
I know, that's what I said. When we leave here, we have to find a gas station. I'm going to go around.
Aww. No, wait, they're coming to cars though. Must get food for babies. Hey. Hey, come here. Run. Run.
Mr. Ostrich family.
Mom, don't move.
What? That's all it does is just walk.
It's pretty entertaining, isn't it?
I'm still my first one. Emily, you haven't done any food to your animals.
Stay in your car. Stay in your car.
Look at the bowl. Here you go, bowl.
That bull uses his tongue to scoop it out.
Yeah, hello.
He licked me.
Oh God.
I missed that llama. Kept coming up to me. Ew, I can't even roll your window up because there's so much food.
Oh man, this place is pretty big.
It's 180 acres.
Pure animals that like to eat
Now,
food.
these up here, these are the ones that rip the bowl right out of my hands. So,
The llamas.
yeah, they'll
Are they-
bite the side of the bowl and they'll rip the whole thing
Why
out.
the camel?
The camels. They're
Like-
very, very aggressive. That's why they're behind a fence.
Here, I'm just hungry.
Yeah.
How come you don't get the food? Look at them. They're like.
Camel alert. We
We'll
steal
and chew your
buckets.
buckets.
Yeah, they spit it out like gum.
Look at him. He's like, hey, come on, get closer.
No, don't worry about it. I ain't trying to get my bucket stolen.
No, just feed him. Look.
Here you go. Hey!
Don't do that.
Put your bucket out.
I don't want him to
Hold it
steal
like
it.
this.
We got like 5 back here, Brandon. Just
He's trying. Oh, he got it. He stole it. Oh well.
look, they're
Ew.
still chewing on that one.
They eat the buckets?
Look at his teeth.
Hey, Mom, turn around.
Hey, buddy.
It hurt.
Fly on its own.
I ain't got none.
Oh, you don't want me?
There's a bird in front of your car.
He's coming. Moving slow.
I'll take a picture with one.
I tried to get my only other bucket stolen.
Oh God.
Looking for food. I don't have any. Right there. Back.
Hey, bird.
Look at this. Look at this thing. He's just standing in front of my car. Oh look! He's rubbing his head up against my car.
Maybe he likes it wet.
Actually,
The camels are coming.
they're eating the food off the car.
Yo, camels are huge.
They're big, yeah.
Goodbye.
Nice
Hello.
to see you.
He's like, hey, bye.
Yeah.
feed us anyway he leaves.
Can you take a picture of the little deer for me?
Yeah. Bunch
Oh
of
my god, there's so many flies on him.
just ran away. Well, I'm down to my last bucket.
Stinky.
They stole my bucket, Mom.
Stinky. I told you, the camels will. They will rip it and they will, I mean, you can't even hold on to it.
They eat the bucket?
Yeah, they chew it like gum and then they spit it out.
It's plastic. Oh, that's a big ass deer.
Oh my goodness.
Hopefully it doesn't ram your car. Oh well, you can get a paint job. Some wildebeest over that way. I get Mom's extra bucket
You know
because
what?
my bucket was stolen.
They're so not afraid of anything. Hello?
Pet it, Mom.
Ew, there's like flies all over him. It's a big buck right there. I'm gonna get a picture.
Hello. You don't steal buckets because you're just a llama.
Come here. See if the deer will. Look, he steals buckets too. There's a few on the side of the road.
There's a few ones. I feed mine in.
Out his gun.
I feed. Is that a cat with antlers?
I'm like, roll your window down.
Officer, roll down your window.
I don't want to get my bucket stolen.
Oh,
What is that? Is that a deer?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Or is
It's
that
a
a-
cow deer.
Oh my
What do you want to take a
god,
picture?
look at all the flies on him.
Oh Jesus! I don't want to. I don't want to get my bucket
I just want to
stolen.
get a picture.
Do it, Brandon.
Just roll your window down. You won't get your bucket.
Yeah, he will.
No, because I'm gonna talk about
roll your
this.
window down.
Just make him eat out of the car, and then he can't take it. Just shake the food.
Look what you did.
Right, he's going around.
He's like, you won't give me food? Fine.
He's coming around.
Hey, there's zebras up here.
Coming around the car.
Give it to him, Ashley.
Oh, you are a big.
Ashley, yeah, use that last little bit of yours.
Give it to him.
He's like, I hear it.
Doesn't no flies bother you?
He's probably used to it.
Give him some, Ashley. We're going. Oh God!
Go, 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 go.
He's a bucket stealer.
Just give it to him. There's barely any.
This is
He just drooled all over his side.
He's a bucket stealer.
Ew, he drooled on my leg.
Oh.
There's water all over my leg.
Y'all gonna clean my car when we get back.
Ew.
I get Mom's extra bucket. I don't know if I've already said that.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Okay. Because I got a bucket stolen from me.
Emily still has a full bucket, so it's not like it matters anyway.
Yeah, you don't barely even feed the freaking animals.
I mean, there's so many. You
She's
gotta
saving
save
it for herself.
Yeah, you won't eat it.
I want to feed a zebra.
No, the zebras are.
He wants to get hit by a car.
God, he might steal a bucket.
I'm scared.
Emily, keep your window down.
Oh, hello.
Emily,
He eats a lot of food.
flies in the car.
Alright, watch out.
Zebras?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah,
Come
yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
zebra. Hey, buddy. Come on.
Racing stripes.
It's so cool.
Here comes that. Oh god.
I mean, you would not get this close to animals at a zoo.
Heck no.
Is this a horse?
I think it's a deer.
It's like a cow. Hello, Mr. Zebra.
This one just
Would you
peed
like
on
some
the floor,
food?
Mom. If you don't want to drive away, then it's going to finish the bucket off. I think it did finish the bucket.
Bye, honey.
You're so cool. It's crazy. And I don't eat a lot.
Oh, God.
They like to spill it though.
Oh god, please, please, no!
Bob, go. Go.
No, I'm gonna get the picture.
Mom, you gotta go. Roll your window up, Ashley.
I'm not gonna crush his head.
So what?
He was coming in. He was coming in. He was in your lap. I told you they would come in the car. I did say that. I do believe I
He
said
saw the buckets. He saw the other buckets. Do not enter.
God, it is
Wagons
everywhere back here.
I see that.
These little deer like it. There's a bunch of flies on these fucks though. Hello, Mr. Deer. Oh, look at this.
Oh,
You want some food? Here you go. They'll probably come up to it. You just gotta put your hand
They're not
out. There you go.
ripping it out. They're not huge.
Oh, I wish I had deer my size.
They'll come around.
You just gotta hold your bucket out. Yeah. What happened?
I don't know. More zebras up here.
Bye.
I had a giant deer in my lap.
That one a deer, I don't know what that
He
was.
was huge. When we saw the
Cow.
food, you weren't going. He's like, all right, well, I'm coming in.
That was a great picture.
Hello. Want some food?
Those.
They
Those
look
are
the
like-
same. Antelopes.
Right here.
He's like hitting his horns on this one. How about you, man? I got 2 on 1 bucket. Them hoes. Alright. This is awesome.
They act like they never eat, but they eat all the
They eat
time.
all day.
That's all they do is eat. Eat,
I don't
eat,
even feed them. Just feed them.
That's why they're here, is to eat.
It's just that to me, I can't believe how tame they are. I mean, they're really tame.
eat. More deers.
Well, fawns.
I'm attracting one.
They don't really eat much. They just kind of like to spill it and then eat it for later. Almost done with this bucket. Emma likes the non-aggressive animals,
Yeah, I was afraid of them.
the big ones.
Yeah, the deer that came in the thing, you know. It was so
The
sweet.
Dude, he was not sweet.
Started to take my.
He wanted to eat you and then...
But you're small to get to the car, though.
No, you just like reach your hand in.
Eh?
I got unbuckled.
Yeah, me too.
Don't come here.
Oh, look at the baby one!
This one's got horns. You scared them. It's so cool. Oh. Am I out? There's a little bit left.
That's pretty cool. Huh?
This
You
book.
want to post this one on Facebook? Well, post the first one.
Okay.
If you're going to.
Yeah, I need my second bucket.
Here.
This is freaking legit to quit.
Because you don't. You use all, like, your
I
slippers.
cannot even.
This thing is huge.
Yeah, it's big. 180 acres.
Let's get the little deer. We have to.
Oh, he's pooping.
He's pooping anyway. Give him some privacy.
Which way? Straight? Oh, I'm surprised none of the buffalo came. What are you looking for?
There's one that's big old deer sitting right in the woods.
I think he's gonna get up for food.
Maybe I'm hungry.
It's like I'm watching my weight. He's like
Work out.
a vegan.
There's his wife.
Babe, you gotta get up. You're hungry.
Come on, get me
Bitch, shut up.
so I can get my own food.
Oh,
Whoa, it's lost my phone.
cracked iPhone. What'd it do?
I acting weird.
Saw something. I think it saw the male deer and she's like,
I didn't ask for your permission. I'm
Hide
sorry.
and seek, hide and seek. I'm gonna think my car's four-wheel drive.
Oh, we got one of them big ass cows up here.
we're probably the same one. I'm gonna eat my lap. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Just stay over here.
Thank you. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Bye.
Eyes all in the car.
Oh god,
What?
there's camels up there.
I ain't. No, I'm sorry. Can't lose my bucket again.
Look, they are not afraid of cars at all.
Oh god, which way is he gonna go? Hopefully
No.
your side. Oh,
Your
please,
side.
Please no.
He changed it. Oh,
Oh. Let's go to there. Alright, drive, Mom, drive. Mom, if you don't drive, he's gonna eat all the food, by the way. Drive!
they don't need to swallow.
Sheesh, Mom, you let him eat all my food.
There's a bucket.
Probably that guy.
I wonder how often I have to buy buckets because of buckets and stolen. Oh,
Well,
there's some.
I didn't know the camels like go for the buckets and not the food.
Well, they go for the buckets to take all the food. That's what they do.
He's like, what are y'all doing? Oh, look at that one with the antlers.
Weird.
Oh man, they are running to the car. They're like, why are their windows closed?
Oh god, here they come.
They're probably out of food.
It's a
They're the
flock.
ones that stayed 15 minutes at the front gate. They're probably out of food.
Dun, 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 dun,
There's a
dun.
stampede of deer!
Hello?
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh my god, things are scary.
They're like running up here.
Look out. Jeez.
Eat off the window.
There's so much food on the ground, I think they'll be fine.
Okay, let's go.
There's so many flies.
Use the mail.
Goodbye, honey. I don't know if your window's gonna work anymore. They're like,
Well, that's why we gotta find a vacuum.
He's like, I'm just gonna stand right here.
Oh, I don't want to food on my side. I don't want food on my side.
He's like, food? Please?
Tina, no!
Is he coming?
Come here. Come on.
And if that beats.